So let's factor out the greatest common factor from this binomial. First thing we need to recognize is what is the greatest common factor between both of these terms. Greatest common factor, in this case, is a 5. 5 is the only thing common to both of those terms. So that being the case then, I want to see what that looks like. So this is going to be a 5 times a 1. I should put a dot there, times an x. No, that's ugly. Let's do that again. A 5 times a 1 times an x squared. There we go. And then the 30, that's a 5 times a 6. So what I see then is that I rewrote each of these terms so that I could easily see the greatest common factor, which was a 5. Then I'm going to use distribution property by popping out what's constant both of those terms. So a 5 is going to pop out, and a 5 is going to pop out. So that's going to make it a 5. And then what's left when I did that? An x squared and a plus a 6. So my final result then, or factoring that into this form, is a 5 times an x squared plus a 6. I just reversed the process backwards because earlier we asked you how to multiply that out. And when we did that, I asked you to distribute the 5 across both terms. So then that became a 5 times an x squared plus a 5 times a 6. Cleaning that on up, produced a 5x squared plus a 30. So we're just reversing the process is what we're doing. Nothing else to see here, folks. Nothing fancy. Just rewinding the tape.